In our previous videos, we've already made great progress in getting our project up and running. But one of the greatest benefits of using frameworks is the fact that we can actually get server-side code to provide the front end with data. That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Let's head back over to our run.py file. In the return statement from my About view, I'm going to add an additional argument. I will just call that argument page_title. You can call this anything you want. It's not specific to the framework. It's just a variable name that I've made up, but could have been called almost anything else except for one of the predefined Python variables. The value of my variable will simply be a string with the text about, so page_title equals about wrapped inside of quotes to make it a string. Next, I will repeat this for my other pages. Page_title equals contact for my contact view, and page_title equals careers for my careers view. You can also add in as many additional arguments here as you'd like. It's best practice to use an underscore when defining Python variables. For now, I only need one argument, which is page_title. To use this new variable, let's go to the about.html file and remove the text between the h2 tags at the top. I will replace that text with double curly brackets, page_title, closing double curly brackets. Remember, double curly brackets is an expression that's going to display something on the page. In this case, the expression being passed through into my HTML file from Python will be the page title variable that we've just created for each view. Let's copy that variable expression and then save the file. We then want to repeat this process on the other two files. Inside of contact.html, remove the text inside of the h2, then paste the page title expression and save the file. Just one more to go, careers.html. So remove the h2 text, paste in the page title, and save the file. We can now go back to the live preview and reload the site. You can see that the heading text now matches the string that we've created in our Python file. About shows about, contact us shows contact, and finally, careers shows careers instead of come work with us. This is a very useful feature of using frameworks in that we can actually set data on our server side and get it to come through onto the client side. In our next video, we're going to have a look at how to implement even more logic into our HTML files.